Welcome to the 8th International Vision Seminar of Globsyn Business School.
The topic for today is embracing AI for humanity. As an academic institution, we have the responsibility to have such discussion forums where we not only discuss the opportunities and the ease that AI creates in our day-to-day life, but also the challenges that it comes with it, right?
This embracing AI for humanity signifies a paradigm shift in the way we perceive and integrate artificial intelligence into our lives.
AI has gotten integrated with our life, at least in the recent years.
What AI will do is, it will engage us in ever more finer ways. It tries to model our intelligence, our behavior, our thought patterns, and the more finer it is able to do this, the more it will be able to capture our attention.
This is a real subject for seminars and debates, and that is why it is such an exciting area to work on.
Conferences like this organized by Globsyn, which will acquaint us with the promise and the power of AI.
I congratulate the organizer for this International Vision Seminar for providing a meaningful platform